I don't know if I can go higher.
That's right. Alright guys, so today I'm here with
Paul!
So guys, today Paul's gonna be my twin for the day. And yeah, we look extremely alike, don't we, Paul?
Mm-hmm,
we look
exactly the same. Look at that.
Alike. So guys, today we're gonna be doing the Twin Telepathy Challenge. So basically, it's where you have two ingredients on each side and they're the same thing. So say you have shaving cream and cornstarch in a bowl on each side, and we have to try and like get the same ingredient. Like not think about what the other person would get, but like try and just get the same ingredient. And today's like my challenge.
I'll do it.
Really?
Yep. I know I don't want to do it.
He takes like 10 minutes to think.
I want them to press it with their pinky. That's that simple.
Like that. And let's get straight on into the video. Alright guys, so time for round one. For the first round, guys, we have the option of silver glitter glue and blue glitter glue. And so we're gonna have to try and figure out, or you know,
I'm gonna guess it right. Yeah, we gotta have to pick the same one.
So I am actually very good at predicting, or you know, I'm like, you know, a sidekick. I'm just really good at guessing, guys. I promise you I'm not cheating. Everybody thinks I'm cheating, but I just pick him right. Anyways, so Paul, you pick first, and I guarantee you I will pick the same thing. I don't know.
I know which one you're gonna pick.
No, so. Paul, you're not supposed to pick the one that you think the other person's gonna pick. You just pick the one that you think you're both gonna pick.
Yeah, I think we're both gonna pick the same one, and I think it's gonna be this one.
I think it's going to be this one. I don't know. Alright guys, so
let's see.
Let's do it. I wonder, do you think we did it right, Paul?
I think so. I mean, it's pretty easy, this one.
I don't know. I don't know. Round two, guys. This next one we have lotion and shaving cream, and we're definitely gonna choose. We're definitely gonna choose this one.
Oh, I don't know this one at all. Ooh. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with this one.
What? Can we close our ears?
I don't know.
Okay, let's just do it at the same time. 1, 2, 3.
Go. Oh, sounds like you got shaving cream.
Alright, we both got shaving cream. I think that was a little bit defective, guys, because you couldn't kind of hear it, but we got shaving cream. Alright, guys, so for round 3, we have two different like soaps. So this one right here is a hand soap, soft soap, hand soap, and then this one, guys, is like a 3-in-1 body wash for kids. So it's kind of like really globby. This one's just, you know, soapy. So which one are we gonna choose? What you gonna do? I'm gonna choose this one.
I know she's gonna choose. Oh man, this is a hard one, but I'm gonna go with. Oh, this is a hard one because they're both like similar.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with this one. I hope you guys know which one it is. It's this one.
Let's fix that. Alrighty, mine seems like it's gonna turn out good.
Mine is gonna turn out fantastic, Ameerah.
Whatever.
Which, if it's the same, then yours is also gonna turn out fantastic.
Round 4! So for this round, guys, we have instant snow and plastic snow. Plastic fake snow, you know, that like little one. Anyway, so let's choose. I think we're going to choose this one because I just feel like it.
You just feel like it?
Yeah.
That gives me a clue. You might want this one.
No, I'm not saying like I feel like it. I mean, I feel like we're gonna choose this one.
Oh, okay, alright, I'm gonna go with this one. Do you think we still have the same things?
I don't know. Round 5! So this time, guys, we have colorings. We have blue and orange. Now, which one are we gonna pick? I think we're gonna pick this one.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Alright, next round. I don't know, I kind of have a bad feeling about this round. I feel like we might have chose different.
Yeah, me too.
Round 6! Alright guys, so for this round we have glitters. We have this white iridescent glitter and this confetti glitter. So which one would you choose? What you gonna choose?
What you gonna choose?
Okay, why don't you choose first this time?
I already chose, chose it. I know which one you're gonna go with.
This one.
For sure.
Alright. I don't have the best feeling about this one, but let's get on to the next round. Round 7! Alright guys, this round is gonna be marshmallow beads and what are they called? Jelly cube sponge thingies?
Jelly cube sponge thingies.
Alright, so let's do this. Okay, what's it gonna be? What you gonna do? I'm gonna do this one because we're both gonna do this one.
I know we're both gonna do this one. I'm not just guessing. I know telepathically.
I don't think we did the same one. Alright guys, what it! I cannot wait till this thing is done. I want to see what we made. All right, round 8. All right, guys. So this next round is gonna be green glue and blue glue. So what you gonna do?
I think we're gonna go with.
I think we're gonna go with
this one.
I think we're gonna do this one. I feel like that's what he chose. I don't know. Time for round 8 or 7 or 9.
I don't remember.
I think it's 9. All right. Okay. So let's do this. Okay. We have pink crazy art glue, Nickelodeon glue versus purple Nickelodeon
Purple or pink.
crazy art glue. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I think we're both gonna choose this one. What do you think?
This one. I feel like it's this one.
How much should we put? The whole gallon?
No. Mine's sinking in the middle. Round 10! Alright guys, so this one we have silver glitter and copper, brass, gold glitter. Alright, what you gonna do? I'll choose first this time, Paul. You have to predict it, okay?
Okay, alright. Okay. Did you choose already?
Oh, that looks so cool. It's like everywhere. Yeah, I chose.
Okay, I'm gonna go with this one.
Alright.
Okay.
I wonder you chose right. Round 11! Alright guys, so this round we have fishbowl beads. They're both fishbowl beads. But this one is like the OG fishbowl beads, and then this one is like the sugar bead one.
I think it's called like pellets. This one? Pellets?
No, that's the other one. This one is like sugar bead, I think. Paul, you can choose first this time.
Okay. Okay, I'm choosing this one.
I think you're gonna choose this one. Alright.
It didn't sound the same pouring, Ameerah. I don't know if you chose right.
I don't know. I don't know either. Alright, we'll see after, I guess.
Okay, Ameerah, do we start mixing it?
Yes.
Can't wait to mix it.
I think we're all done, guys. I'm wondering how this is gonna turn out and how similar our slimes are gonna be. Imagine they're like completely different. Alright, let's do this. Let's do some close-ups though when we mix it because this is gonna look cool. Alright guys, here it's on. Let's go ahead and start mixing it. I am excited to see how it's gonna turn out because we have pink, blue, and orange in here, I think. The marshmallow beads look cool. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys.
Does it not turn out good, Ameerah? I'm hearing uh-oh, so... What's going on?
No, mine's turning out great. Oh my god,
this is gonna turn out bad?
This is not going good, guys.
I heard that. I heard it's not going good.
I didn't say anything, Paul. Oh my god, this is so
Okay, now I hope we get
It's like, oh great. We can use this for the ugliest slime in the world video. Alright, Paul, you can go ahead and show yours now.
Yes. Alright, here's mine, guys. Ooh, let's see. Not bad. So if it's not bad, does that mean we have different ingredients?
Oh, trust me, Paul. I thought mine was really bad, but oh my god. Once you start to get the bottom stuff.
Bottom stuff. No, mine's not bad. Okay, I'm all done, Ameerah.
Alright, let's activate!
Yay.
Mine's not activating.
Is this activator, Ameerah?
It should be. Can I have it back?
We do have Nickelodeon glue in there, so.
Yeah. Can I have some activator?
Here you go.
Thanks.
Yeah, I can put it in for you.
No.
Yes, I'll put it in for you.
No, what
Give
the heck?
me.
Get the heck.
Give me.
I just add a whole lot of activator to mine. Alright guys, we're all done activating our slimes. They are completely done. And now we can go ahead and do ASMR. But what do you think about my slime, Paul?
I don't know, I can't see it, Ameerah.
Good, good. It was just a test. It was just a test.
I like my slime though. My slime is amazing.
I don't really like my slime. I mean, maybe it had a nice name, but like it's kind of like ugly.
So we don't have the same slimes then?
I don't think so. Cause, but maybe you just have a different opinion. I mean,
Yeah.
do you like my slime, Paul?
I still don't know, Ameerah.
It's another test. You, you passed, Paul. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do this tomorrow now. But first, can you guys guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a bonus round!
I knew it.
So, for the bonus round, guys, we have the option of instant snow and butter. What do you think we're gonna
Butter?
do?
This is not butter. I don't have butter here.
I mean clay, guys, not butter. It makes butter slime, though. All right, let's do this. 1, 2,
wait.
3.
Are we choosing at the same time?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
1, 2, 3.
This one.
Okay, let's go.
You know which one I chose.
I don't think we chose the right one.
Oh, okay. We failed the bonus round, Ameerah.
Yep. Yes, we did. All right, guys. I think we're gonna do some ASMR now. We should probably do the reveal first.
That's a good idea, Ameerah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm ready for this. I want to see.
Yeah, I want to see yours. I wonder how yours looks like. I think yours is gonna be a red slime with foam beads and glitter.
Red slime with foam beads and glitter?
Just kidding.
I don't even think that's possible with what we got. I think yours is gonna be...
I think yours is gonna be a blue slime with like, maybe like light blue with like a buttery texture.
I think yours is gonna be like brown or something.
Glitter.
I'm gonna guess yours is brown, something like brown.
Okay. Alright, well, let's go ahead and reveal it.
Take this out. Let's go.
Go.
Okay, close your eyes, Ameerah.
Okay, let's close our eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay, you ready?
Okay. I'm ready.
Here you go. Oh, your slime is good! Yours is way better than mine. Look at mine. Mine just looks like a big pile of garbage.
I kind of like yours.
You can have it. I'll take yours.
No, that's okay.
Alright, guys, gotta do some ASMR now!
I go first. Again.
No,
Wait, that's
rock,
right.
paper, scissors.
But you already won.
Oh yeah, that's true. I won already. Here's my slime, guys. What are you doing?
It's snow slime.
Shall I call this big puff puff cloud?
Oh, is it snowing because of these balls?
Yes.
I like it.
It's a volcano eruption while it's snowing. Yeah, in this island it snows. And it has volcanoes.
And they erupt.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. It looks pretty nice.
I don't really like it. Alright, you can show your slime now, Paul.
Okay, my turn. Alright, this is my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful,
I'm
beautiful
not recording.
slime. I know. And I think it's hashtag Team Paul, even though this wasn't about best slimes. I don't know who won. I don't think there's a winner, Ameerah.
Yeah, our slimes are both pretty messed up.
No, but even, I mean, this was about like, what, in the same ingredients?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not the same.
I don't think I think we did a pretty good
Hey,
job.
it's pretty similar, except the
Yeah,
color.
the only problem is the color, but it's pretty similar. Just you chose gold glitter, and you chose
Those sparkly.
other foam beads, the sparkly things, I guess.
And different fishbowl beads.
And then the chili cube beads.
Oh, you don't have jelly cube beads?
Nope. I have foam beads.
Oh, that's right. I can see that. See, this is my slime though. You should say comment down below which one it is.
Comment down below who you think is better. Hashtag Team Ameerah.
Hashtag Team Paul. Look at this.
Hashtag Team Puff Puff Cloud.
I don't have a name for mine.
That's good.
You guys can name it. You guys can comment down hashtag Team Paul and then name my slime.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure you comment down below because we'll do a part 2. Maybe with different ingredients. Maybe just clear. Like I'll do like a bunch of different glitters or something. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool.
Just a complete clear pigment slime or something. Alright guys, well that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope I see you guys next time. Bye. I have this all over my hands.
Peace.